Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to March 2022. This is my recap for the month. The reason I have not been doing recaps lately is because I just have not been trading. I think I took one trade in February, and it was on Tesla. So not really what I'm used to, but it was a swing trade too. I just closed it in March for like $180 or something like that. So yeah. March 2022 was a gain of $10, pretty much break even. Winning only one of those five trades. I won 20% of the time, but I was still positive on the month. That just speaks volumes on keeping your winners big and keeping your losers small. That's pretty self-explanatory. You'd think, duh, but that's just proof. So you'll see my largest loss really took away from a lot of my month, and it was a mistake. It wasn't just I was wrong. It was kind of a mistake. Um, a lot of the time, I just feel like I was wrong, and I traded it pretty well. Um, Obviously, there's things I can always do better, and that's why I'm journaling, right? Um, just to find what I can do better. And there's a lot to do better on this trade. My largest gain was a pretty good gain, actually, of 140-ish, a little under. So, yeah, let's get right into the trades here. First one I want to talk about is TONR. This is beautiful. It's a 13% win. This is that 140-ish gain. Just picture perfect OTC breakout chart. Here's about 1 hour chart, and here's the daily. This is just exactly what I'm looking for every day. It's that spike and consolidation, and you buy the break and you sell the top. Just works like a charm. And this was a huge win, 13%ish, on only $1,000 position. So ideally, I want to start sizing in when OTCs eventually get hot. Someday they'll get hot. I keep telling myself that. So, yeah. Next one I want to talk about is NAK. This is a just small size, $500 position. I thought it could break 5 and push to maybe like 5, 6, maybe even 60. HYMC. This is a sympathy to HYMC. I'll show you HYMC here. Excuse me. This thing just went crazy. This one was a lower float, I think. No, not really. But this thing broke and it pushed to like a little over 3. There was another one that I was watching, one of these mining companies. Materials were really hot, like nickel plays, stuff like that, around that whole Russia-Ukraine situation. So I thought maybe this could really fuel the fear, kind of deal. Play that fear aspect, that emotion. I thought this could break high and really push, like HYMC kind of did. What else? There was another one. I can't really remember it, but tried playing that same thesis on NAK. This was like a day late, so I kind of saw like HYMC play out. I saw the other one play out. I don't remember the ticker. I apologize. And this just didn't work, so I cut my loss quick. And then trading small size again. So CLNV is my mistake of the month. This was around an 8% loss, which is a lot bigger than I want it to be. Ideally, I want it to be under 5%, and then keeping those losses on smaller size. But yeah, this was super choppy. I thought maybe I could buy the break of 0.09. It was that kind of whole dollar, half dollar. It kind of touched that area the other day. Thought this was kind of the breakout level, this 0.09. Bought that, got a little bit higher, and then failed. I thought this could push 10 and maybe even more. Since this thing was so volatile, this thing went from like 3.5 to 9 in the matter of like a week. So yeah, it just did not work. I don't know why I played this in the beginning. It's just choppy ass chart. Like these huge wicks just should be red flag. Look at this day. It has a big wick down here to 0.55 and then a big old wick to 0.0, like over 8.5. So yeah, I don't really know what I was thinking. Wanted action. That's really what it comes down to. I wanted action. OTCs were not hot, and I was trying to force it. So Moving on, we have DPLS. This is a smaller loss, smaller size, I think, maybe. I don't really remember. But this is really the day I should have been playing this in the beginning of March. It just didn't work. I thought maybe this could consolidate like it was and then push highs, maybe break highs. 0.09 was obviously a solid resistance level for this thing. Rejected off it twice, but this thing just had zero volume, as you can see, and it just didn't work. So, yeah, I don't know. Have to be playing stocks with bigger volume. I thought maybe this thing could break and then get some volume. So that's really what I was betting for. But again, it's not really the best environment for OTCs. So yeah, last one I want to talk about is CENN, CENN. This is kind of a different pattern than I usually play. I like playing those OTC breakouts, even like listed breakouts, but not really red to green moves. And this is really what that was. This thing just had an insane run up from like $1, 125 ish to like 250. It was getting extended. It wasn't super extended. It wasn't like a crazy run up. But it was extended, and I know like Jack and Kyle were trying to short this thing, and it just was not working. Let me try to bring it up on our chart here. It just didn't work, and so I was playing it this day. After this run up, kind of. So, and it was not going red, and I thought this thing had a lot more strength. I think I played it right around here. I saw it consolidating right under red green. I think red green is probably like 225. Thought this thing could break red green and squeeze because Jack and Kyle were getting squeezed out of it. And I thought, well, they can't be the only ones, right? So, yeah, and this thing just kind of trended sideways all day, and it kind of had more of that third day surge setup. This is the move I was looking for, was this like 236 to $3 move. That's what I was looking for on this day. Never got it. It was more of that sideways rest day before making move higher. So I don't know. It was a good thesis. It just didn't really work. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to cover today, guys. Hope you guys got some value out of this, as always. And I will catch you guys next time, ideally for April's recap. So see ya.